Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video about JavaScript types. So as of today, there are 9 types in JavaScript, but you will most likely only encounter 5 on a daily basis. The first one is string, and we already used it in the previous video. It's something like this, and it's always either between single or double quotes. There's also numbers, which could be something like this, right? Very simple. There's also booleans, which can be either true or it could be false. There's also undefined. And undefined, like it already says, it is something that is not defined. So let's say I say let my name without assigning it to anything. And now I could say console log my name. And I'll see what happens if you save the file and run it with Node. It says undefined. So we did not define my name. Now null is somewhat similar to undefined because null also means it is nothing. However, null is usually done intentionally by the developers. So I could say const age and we could say null. So this often happens in code where you want to declare a variable, but you will later assign it to a value, then you intentionally set it to null. However, undefined is something that is usually done unintentionally. So we can also check the types in JavaScript. So in order to show that, I will give these a name. So I will say type string. Here we've got type number. Here we've got type boolean, and I have to remove 1. So undefined, well, I already showed it to you, but we still can check it. And then for null, const, let's make it type null. So now I could console log, or remove this one, could console.log first type string, type number, type boolean, my name, and type null. And I think it's better to call this type undefined. There we go. And now we could use the keyword type off. So we'll just put that in front of every variable. And now when I save it and I run the code, you will see the first one is a string, the second one a number, then we've got a boolean, undefined, and now you see null is an object. Now this is a little bit strange, but you can find it on Google. You can search, for example, why is null has null a type of object, and you will find out why. It's a little strange thing, but it doesn't really matter. This is pretty much all there is to JavaScript types. So I see you in the next video.